Cloud computing is one of the most important technologies in the world today, and it's used by businesses and individuals of all sizes. In this video, we are going to explain what cloud computing is, the different types of cloud services, and the benefits of using cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, intelligence, and the Internet of Things over the Internet to off-premise customers. Infrastructure as a service. IaaS provides access to computing resources such as servers, storage, and networking. Platform as a service. PaaS provides a platform for developing, running, and deploying applications. Software as a service. SaaS provides access to software applications over the Internet. Cloud computing offers a number of benefits for businesses, including scalability. Cloud computing resources can be scaled up or down quickly and easily to meet changing demand. Cost savings. Cloud computing can help businesses save money on IT costs, such as hardware, software, and maintenance. Reliability. Cloud computing providers offer reliable and secure services with high uptime and availability. Cloud computing is used by businesses of all sizes, in all industries, for a wide variety of tasks, such as web hosting, email, file storage and sharing, customer relationship management, and enterprise resource planning. Cloud computing is the future of computing. It offers a number of benefits for businesses and individuals alike, including scalability, cost savings, reliability, and agility. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.